Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best foldable Bluetooth keyboard, the perfect portable typing companions for travel, work, and productivity on the go. From ultra-slim to touchpad-equipped designs, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the PopBloom K212 foldable Bluetooth keyboard. The PopBloom K212 foldable Bluetooth keyboard is designed for modern professionals and travelers who need a portable yet efficient typing solution. This foldable keyboard combines compactness with full functionality, allowing users to work comfortably anywhere, whether at a cafe, during a commute, or on a business trip. Despite its small size, the keyboard maintains a standard layout, providing a typing experience similar to traditional desktop keyboards, while its quiet keys ensure minimal distraction. Weighing just 5.53 ounces, the PopBloom K212 folds neatly to fit into pockets, backpacks, or laptop bags, making it ideal for people constantly on the move. Pairing with devices is effortless. Simply press a single button and the keyboard connects via Bluetooth. Its design emphasizes portability without compromising on performance, enabling users to quickly jot down ideas or complete tasks on the go. The keyboard features an elegant and minimalist design that complements laptops and desktops alike. Its built-in lithium battery delivers up to 48 hours of continuous use or 180 days on standby, making it reliable for short business trips, vacations, or daily work. A single full charge provides ample usage time, eliminating the need for frequent recharging. Compatibility is another strong point of the PopBloom K21. It supports iOS, Android, and Windows devices, ensuring a stable and responsive connection across a variety of Bluetooth-enabled gadgets. Whether using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, users can enjoy smooth and uninterrupted typing. PopBloom also emphasizes customer satisfaction, offering 24-hour email support, lifetime technical assistance, and a commitment to ensuring users are fully satisfied. With the K212, portability, efficiency, and reliability come together in a sleek and practical package suitable for professionals, students, and travelers alike. Coming in at number 4, the Meetion K9550 foldable Bluetooth keyboard. The Meetion K9550 foldable Bluetooth keyboard combines portability with full-featured functionality, designed for users who demand desktop-quality typing on the go. Its foldable design reduces it to a compact, pocket-sized device while unfolding to reveal a full 99-key layout, complete with a numeric keypad and familiar key spacing. The keyboard's short-axis keycaps and space-saving layout make it ideal for mobile work without compromising typing speed or accuracy. Measuring 13.38 by 4.56 by 0.45 inches when open and 6.72 by 4.56 by 0.9 inches when folded, it weighs just 10.54 ounces, making it an effortless companion for travel or remote work. A standout feature of the K9550 is its built-in pull-out touchpad, which eliminates the need for a separate mouse. The sensitive, multi-touch trackpad supports smooth cursor control, two-finger scrolling, and gestures. Users can easily disable it with a simple FN plus spacebar shortcut for extended battery life. For optimal performance, a light touch is recommended to avoid accidental inputs while typing. The keyboard also supports triple device pairing, enabling seamless switching between a laptop, phone, and tablet with a dedicated key. Its long-lasting 90-hour battery ensures uninterrupted productivity across multiple work sessions, and the modern USB-C charging port allows fast charging in just 2 to 3 hours. Note that the keyboard operates exclusively via Bluetooth and does not support wired connections. Equipped with library quiet scissor switch keys, the K9550 delivers tactile feedback with minimal noise. perfect for meetings, libraries, or public spaces. Its dedicated numeric keypad and smart multimedia shortcuts provide enhanced efficiency for data entry and media control. Universal compatibility with iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows makes this keyboard a versatile choice for any tech setup. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection across all supported devices, making the Meetion K9550 a practical, compact, and powerful tool for modern productivity. At number 3, we have the Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard redefines portable productivity, offering a seamless balance between compact convenience and full-sized functionality. Designed for travelers and mobile professionals, this keyboard folds down to a compact 7.1 by 4.2 inches, making it easy to slip into a pocket or small bag, yet expands to a spacious 13.5 by 4 inches for comfortable typing. With a 9.5 mm keycap height and a weight of just 8 ounces, it provides a tactile, desktop-like typing experience wherever you go. Its keys are designed for smooth, silent typing, with a 15.63 mm key width and 2.51 mm separation, ensuring speed and accuracy without the cramped feeling of traditional portable keyboards. The layout includes a numeric keypad and a precision touchpad that supports gestures, scrolling, and both tap-to-click and physical press functions, allowing you to leave your mouse behind while still enjoying versatile input options. Quick access FN keys further enhance productivity, giving control over Bluetooth channels, battery status, and more. One of the standout features is its multi-device connectivity. The keyboard can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously across Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, enabling effortless switching without any lag. The foldable design is complemented by durable ABS plus PU construction and environmentally friendly silicone anti-slip mats, protecting against scratches and wear. A velvet storage bag adds an extra layer of convenience, making it a complete travel-ready solution. Compact, versatile, and thoughtfully designed, the Nillkin Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard transforms any mobile setup into a portable workstation. Whether for work, study, or casual use, it combines functionality, comfort, and portability, making it an ideal choice for those who demand efficiency on the go. Next up at number 2 is the Sikai Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The Sikai Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is a compact and versatile typing solution designed for portability and convenience. Engineered with an American Broadcom chip, this mini keyboard features a 60-key layout with matte-finished touch buttons that offer a comfortable typing experience. Its horizontal fold design and hidden magnetic bracket make it easy to hold and provide a secure spot for your tablet or phone, though it supports magnetic stands for devices up to 11 inches. While it does not include digital keys, its simple layout ensures portability and ease of use for students and professionals alike. This foldable keyboard is compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, and HMS. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with multiple devices, and users can switch between registered devices with a single touch. The scissor-foot key structure enhances typing comfort while reducing the risk of key damage. Equipped with a 160 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the Sikai keyboard offers up to 45 hours of continuous typing on a 2-hour charge, or up to 90 days of standby time. Energy-saving features automatically put the keyboard to sleep after 10 minutes of inactivity, waking instantly with a single click. Its portable design, weighing only 250 grams, allows it to fit into handbags, duffel bags, or even jacket pockets. When folded, it measures 7.97 by 1.83 and opens to 7.97 by 3.51. The included magnetic bracket adds convenience for hands-free use on any flat surface, making it suitable for cafes, outdoor picnics, or travel. Setting up the keyboard is straightforward. Pressing FN and a Bluetooth button initiates pairing mode, after which the device can be connected via the Bluetooth settings menu. Sikai provides responsive customer support for any inquiries, promising replies within 24 hours, ensuring users can rely on both the device and after-sales service. This combination of portability, compatibility, and efficient battery life makes the Sikai Foldable Bluetooth keyboard an ideal choice for those seeking a lightweight, travel-ready typing accessory. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsers KT03 Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The Samsers KT03 Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is a sleek, ultra-portable device designed for users who need convenience without compromising functionality. Its extremely thin, foldable design allows it to slip easily into a pocket or bag, making it ideal for travel or business trips. Paired with a built-in phone stand holder, it offers an optimal screen angle for comfortable viewing, turning any tablet or smartphone into a productive workstation. The keyboard features a near-standard size layout that provides accurate and fast typing, mimicking the feel of a desktop keyboard. Its quiet keys are designed to minimize distractions, allowing for focused work wherever you are. Beyond typing, the upgraded touchpad supports multi-touch gestures, enabling seamless control of your device without the need for a mouse. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, the KT03 delivers up to 48 hours of active use, or up to 560 hours on standby after just 2 to 3 hours of charging. This ensures that even short business trips or vacations won't interrupt your workflow. Constructed from durable ABS and PC materials, the keyboard's dark black matte finish resists wear and scratches while maintaining a stylish, professional look. Weighing just 5.53 ounces, it is compact enough to fit in your palm, yet sturdy enough for everyday use. Samsers KT03 supports stable Bluetooth connectivity with a range of up to 10 meters, automatically reconnecting to the last paired device for instant use. Compatible with a wide variety of Bluetooth-enabled devices, it provides a reliable platform for writing, editing, and managing tasks on tablets, phones, or laptops. Its combination of portability, elegance, and functionality makes the KT03 a versatile tool for modern professionals, students, and anyone on the go. This keyboard redefines mobile productivity by merging lightweight convenience with desktop-style performance, allowing users to capture ideas and complete tasks anytime, anywhere. Typing on the go has never been this easy. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite keyboard. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart tech and budget-friendly gadget finds.